Okay, so you know the symbol for 0 is the number 5.878327986, right? So we've been talking about that. That's an ancient number that the Mayas used in their mathematical equations. What I found was a piano online that has the keys numbered. So I thought I'd make a video with these numbers, and this is what the keys are: G, C, B, C, E, D, B, D, E, A. Now, what I did is I'm taking the numbers from the symbol for 0 Maya's equation and converting it to piano chord key notes. And this is what I get. I want you to see the notes on the research on this fact and how it leads to another scientific discovery that has to do with outer space and machine codes. There is a lot more data about this. I've got a whole section here for you. But what it actually ends up coming out to, the Astronomical Data Analysis Software and Systems, ADASS. And the quote from it is, "The conference provides a forum for scientists and programmers concerned with algorithms, software, and software systems employed in the acquisition, reduction, analysis, and dissemination of astronomical data." So this number with these letters, when I Googled it, comes up with this data system that decodes messages from alien planets. Now, what do you think of that? Isn't that weird? I thought it was, it kind of freaked me out. Well, I wasn't too surprised, because after all the stuff I found, it's just really strange. And I know this sounds weird and freaky, but it's kind of cool that you can take a number, convert it to letters, and get this. I mean, I Googled it, and that's what I come up with, this company software that the government uses to decode those messages. And SETI is one of the systems that they take astronomical data from the internet, from their satellites and stuff, right? And that's how they found the Kepler set of planets. I think they found over, well, the first time I read it was like 3, and then we were up to like 2,500. Now we're up to over 20,000 that they found that are habitable. So that's very exciting for all of us, because basically, like, if Earth was to destroy itself, it would give us some sort of hope that we've got somewhere else to go. The only problem is it's going to take us 600 light years to get there, so we don't have enough time to get there. But what I've asked this alien technology is to reveal to us, is there a way to build a spaceship so we get there faster, and so we can save people off of planet Earth in case this 2012 Mayan calendar thing that ends December 21st does happen. I know we won't get something built that quickly, but you never know, with the whole world joining in, every country putting in and doing like different pieces of it, and then put it all together as a project. You never know what you're going to come up with, right? So I thought it was kind of cool. But anyways, this is like a little project for me, and I'm sharing it with you because it just was really weird the way it worked out. So I have made a video where I took the piano keys and I made it with the, where is it? It's like children's piano, it's called Piano Easy. PianoIsEasy.com, right? If you click on there, it's about piano lessons and stuff, but what's really cool is it has, there, PianoIsEasy.com show page .cfm !! page equals keyboard main. Anyways, this is what I got, was a keyboard. Now what they do is they teach you how to play Jingle Bells on here, right? So it's kind of a fun thing, not only for adults but for kids. Anyways, that's when I thought of making the video with the numbers that are on your key, with the same numbers from the symbol for 0. I'm not sure what this means, but I thought I'd have some fun with it. And what I'm asking is that SETI would send this signal with this, or somehow send a signal out in space with a piano playing these keys and these notes to see if they get a response. Because my response was basically, I sent a message through one of those public satellite systems where you send a little message to the aliens for, you know, out in outer space. And then when I did the meditation the next day, I got all this information here. Now I want to just show you real quick. I've got at least 20 pages of stuff that I'm going to be showing you. This is the WOW theory that I've been decoding. This is the one that's 30 years old, and no one's decoded it that I know of as yet. So I'm having some fun with it, and I actually found some messages hidden in it in the math equations, so stay tuned for that. I'll be making videos about it. And then I've got where the Maya's planet, where I think it's located, minutes and hours. I'm going to make a video about that. And this is just all my work that I've been doing for the last week or so, trying to figure out where their planet is and how to look it up. And again, you got to realize I've never done this in my life. I'm doing this all by myself. I'm trying to figure stuff out. So if I sound a little bit like way off, then forgive me, because I'm just doing it for a hobby, for fun, and I thought it'd be cool to share it with you guys as part of my web TV show. And this is the space message that we started with originally, and that's how I came to the symbol for 0. But I do have about 20 videos up already going over this information, and there's a lot more I'll be adding. Okay? So this is the Idea Girl signing off, and stay tuned for more information.